creek liquor.
You want some of that creek water?
No. You're looking at the hey, barbecue side. Hey, the sloppy joe. That was free though. It was free. Hey, it was so damn free. Then had to go to damn McDonald's. I had me 2 mac chicken and that salsa bitch. Man, that's about damn fun.
That's that charm, yo.
That's
salsa biscuit, yo.
That salsa bitch.
I don't like those damn McDonald's. You know why?
Why?
See, my son came here about damn ozone. It was 2. He bought that damn Quavo, that tequila. That
Tequila?
big bottle.
Jose Cuervo?
Yeah, $32
tea.
damn.
It's tea with
Yeah,
Keela.
hell yeah.
Yeah, he bought a big bottle.
Hey, guess what? Get you
Can you bring me
fucked
rubber
up
band?
too.
Man, he had to get the hell out of
Your
here.
son brought it?
Yeah, he bought that motherfucker. That was Tuesday, dog. He had money. He had 3 jobs, man. I said, son, be careful. He bought me some damn beer. We went to the damn pool hall right around that corner.
Pool hall?
Yeah, right there.
Ward Street.
Yeah, you know that.
Yeah, by the barber shop.
Yeah.
Yeah, by the car lot.
Saying that mama, that motherfucker got me so fucked up. Hey. Dude.
Fucked up out there?
I was fucked up. That margarita looked short cane.
Yeah.
And the pool, you know them.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, he bought me about 3 of them, bought me about 240.
And he already had a
And
bottle
then-
of tequila.
Yeah, the big bottle, $32.
Jose Cuervo.
Yeah, that was it. That tequila.
Yeah, like a gold color. Sometimes it be white, but they got the gold color too.
Nah, he had that curve.
Clear.
Yeah.
Oh, that clear John.
Nah, that's
Yeah.
for the Mexicans. That's
Yeah.
the Mexicans.
He had a big bottle like that, $32 damn dollars. I said, son, you better be careful.
That ass.
Bite you in the ass now.
That shit'll fuck
Yep.
you up. You'll forget where you live at.
Where am I going again?
Now I gotta
What
go see
street
my
is this?
daughter. Like, I can't never forget my daughter now. See, she work at Poto there, and she had to give me some.
You got to
You
give
feel
you
me?
some?
Yeah. She's 24 now. And dad know best and mom know best. You hear me?
That's
But
what's up.
I believe she all right about it. You feel me? It don't bother me. It's just the purpose.
It's the principle.
Don't fuck with me.
Principalities out this bitch.
Hey, I'm cool.
You got principalities?
Like this. I go buy. I go buy me 3 more of these. Who can stop?
There ain't no who won't stop the train. That's all I know.
No.
Not the Wayne
Like that.
train. You can't stop it.
And then kept some damn motorcycle.
ODB at this motherfucker. Yo.
Hell no.
Southern ODB at this motherfucker.
Yeah.
Stop.
Who gonna stop the train today?
Once the train start, ain't no stopping.
Ain't no damn stop.
And natural light is your motherfucking fuel, yo. That's your
Hey,
oils.
look.
You got
So,
your gas in your hand.
Yeah.
Once you
You
get that
damn
gas
right.
in,
Right.
you
Keep
got a
stoking the
full
flame,
tank.
yo. Keep stoking the flame.
Damn.